All right, well, we just got to Champion Porsche, and there's insane amount of cars here, so we're gonna get to showing you guys. Right, so we saw a Pagani Huayra pulling up, so I think we're gonna go check that out first before it gets swarmed. But there's an NSX here too.
I'll order fucking 5 of those cars right now. Oh fuck, by the time I see what's
fuck. So I'm gonna be vlogging-ish. Jake's gonna take some pictures. Huracan. Alright, so there's a 918 already out here. There's 2 more inside. There's also a something else inside that I'm not gonna tell you. I will show you. But there's like a lot of high-end cars here. Oof. So I'm gonna try and show you like the best of the best. Yo, chill, I'm ready? Here. Oh, yeah, I almost opened it. It's right there. This is it.
That's crazy.
The Pagani Huayra.
Oh, huge imports too.
Pagani Huayra. The BC one. And then there's... Is it actually? Doesn't mean it's for sale. It's insane though. And then there's a LaFerrari and two 918s here. Here's the other one, pretty sick. And there's 2 LaFerraris, I think. There's one here and there's one there. Wait, Jake, is that a LaFerrari, that one too?
This is a LaFerrari.
No.
That's an Aperta.
Oh, that's an Aperta. Jeez.
These both are probably like 2.
Yeah, this room right now is like
almost 20 mil.
That's insane. Alright, so Jake has my vlogging camera because he's going to be taking pictures with it, but I'm also taking pictures and like some videos with this A7, so I'm going to be switching off like this. Ready? I don't know how well this is going to work out.
It's not going to work very well.
Ready? This camera, now that camera. Now this camera, now that camera. See that?
Now my face? His face.
Now my that wasn't what I was going for, but
I'm going, yeah.
Alright, so we just got some pictures of inside the LaFerrari and the Aperta and everything else that's in there, so
the yummies.
Now we're gonna be mainly outside and just check out what's here. So make sure to go to my Instagram, Car Geeks Media, and all the pictures that we take will be there. So
that's got it.
So here's a 918 that's out here, and Jake, what's those yellow things down there?
There's a Dino over there, and I think there's a GT40, and then there's a F12 Super Slow.
And then there's like a whole bunch of cars.
A UPS that's shooting popping pop. Just kidding, it's an Alpha.
Delivering car parts. And then there's like a lineup going all the way around here.
Yeah, they got all the stuff going now. All the way over there. 2 matching Aventadors. And
then in that Champion building over there, all the new imports are there, so we're going to go check
Porsches.
that out in a bit.
That Alpha is so low.
In the record, but there's a few GT3 RSs here.
We got Jason's 488, 599.
There's a nice 458 Speciale right here.
There's a sick diffuser going on here. You could like put a lunchbox right there. Alright, so before we get to the loud music, we're about to head out, or head inside, so head out, yeah, we're about to head inside. It's getting pretty hot here, actually. I don't know what we're going to see inside, but hopefully something that we don't expect. GTI RS.
So now there's a green Porsche. This is the new hatchback.
New hatchback Pan American.
This is a racing thing, I don't know, this looks like a bubble.
It's, what's it called, the 1-seater.
And then there's,
I don't know how you can fit in that, I'd be scared.
Then there's some more.
New Panamumu. Nice decal GT Threat RS. Speculation.
Yeah.
Which one? The yellow one? Maybe.
Where would it say?
No, it's not the exclusive series.
Oh, it's not that gold.
Yeah, it is still nice.
There's a lot of ours there.
We got GT3s, and then it goes into the RSs. Gets more sporty, a little bit more expensive. Got the new reflectors on that one. And then we get into the 911Rs. Pretty sure there's only, how many of these are there?
5.
No, I'm saying like in total. But we have 911Rs here. Manual, 6-speed, naturally aspirated. Very nice, very nice.
Alright, so Jake's recording with my vlog camera.
Yeah, I got double camera action here.
Camera, meet camera. Jake goes, there's a Carrera GT back there with woman. So we're gonna go check that out. Look how many, this is all the imports. Like, if you guys buy a Porsche, this is most likely like where it comes from. Yeah. If I'm wrong, I'm probably wrong, but like, I think like majority of them, yeah. Because just like, it's just Cayennes everywhere here. Yeah, then there's like a Ferrari back there.
It is an Audi.
And there's an Audi.
Why is it? And
Alright, so we just found
a secret studio.
Yeah, this whole thing, like we just got some sick pictures with this thing, but
it's all curvy.
It's
all the walls are
curved. Yeah, the
curved.
walls are curved. And that's just one big light right there. That thing's one big light.
This must have been expensive.
Sick. That.
And this
like
is a decent,
it's
it's an okay color for a Carrera GT.
Mm-hmm. It's different, for sure.
It's definitely unique. Then we have a Mustang here for some reason. Ferrari, there's an old Audi way over there if you can see it. It's like a 90s booty. It's like, talking about the 50s that are in a row. Yeah.
We forgot to record this, but this is the Champion Museum.
Yeah.
And there's some old race cars.
Some old material. We got the cigarettes on there. We got the Patron. He's got his mirrors that are bigger than my window. We got used wheel. The exhaust right there on the bottom. That's weird. We got like the boat, the fishbowl windows. You can see what you're doing in there no matter what. We got the climbing wall right there. Club Sport. I think this one's Club Sport too. Most ridiculous. Then we got the 488. This is definitely newer. He's got a wire hanging out. He must like to change his radio.
Dude, look at his intercooler.
Which one is that? Is it that? Is it that? It's like, here's your liquid. And we got this old car. They forgot how to name it. He's got the cover. 19. Look at that.
Yeah, this is an old car.
Old as sand. Old as sand. Guys, it smells like it's in 1948 in here right now. I don't know why, but it smells different.
So, there's a nice amount of cars now. That SV has some nice exhaust, but I don't know where Jake's going to record an Alfa Romeo. It's really low. Checking out some other cars that have pulled up here. There's a nice McLaren and Lambo there, but if you look all the way down there, there's an M6 that's parked. Can't see it. There it is. It's really nice. So we've gotten a lot of pictures and stuff and videos, but right now we're at the front and everyone's still pulling in. So I think there's a Mercedes AMG GTR right there. You see the green one?
Yeah, the green over there.
So that pulled up. I mean, there's like a
F12 just moved up. Adam. It's a perfect area for a picture.
Alright, so I wanted to tell you guys that today is the last year
my first video on YouTube of cars was recorded at this place, and it's been a year from now, I think.
Today?
Not today,
Okay.
exactly. But I just want to say, like, from everything I've done on YouTube, I remember, like, just come out here, like, it was so weird, like, talking to my camera. I was like, you know, like, it's just different. Now I'm so much used to it.
Yeah, now it's like
We've grown a good amount now.
into it.
So,
Thanks for all your support, guys.
yeah, thank you for the 600 subs, whatever we're at now, and moving us up there. So,
Guys, Nate,
I think that's gonna be it for this Champion event.
I forgot what they called it.
Yeah, I don't remember.
They called it something, but you know.
Something in coffee. It's usually what it is. But so we're ending it here. We're about to go into the last dealership. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and definitely go check out all the pictures that I'll be posting on Car Geeks Media Instagram.
Definitely gonna have a ton of those.
We will see you guys next time.
Peace out, guys.